The war between Zwelethwa and Jackson, Thaniswa and Martha is intensifying. Thaniswa even visited Martha on the recent episode of the show, and when looking at this picture, you would swear that the visit was a blast, but trust me, it was as boring as hell. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video, but first, I want to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. I don't know about you guys, but me and ngizibonela nje abogogo bayithu, more especially the one on the left who is fighting wars of a man who doesn't even care about her. And as much as Thaniswa is also fighting Zwelethwa's wars, but it's understandable that Jackson was part of a group that killed her sister, so I understand what she's fighting for, even though this is starting to get boring now. I mean, all know that at the end of the day, no one is going to die. Jackson will still come back, so I don't see the point of this drama. And I think the good thing about Smoke and Mirrors is that it's coming to an end now. I really feel like these guys are out of ideas. Really, I know that this is the truth that no one is willing to alter, and I'm going to say it. I think the show should have ended when Caesar died, but then I'm not the right of anything. My job is to just report on the plot, and in this case, the Thaniswa and Martha plot. So Thaniswa went to see Martha. Even now, I don't even understand what their conversation was about. You know, I wanted to see some action here on this scene. I wanted Martha to fight back. Yes, it didn't have to be a gunfight, but they could have made it a fist fight at least. Thaniswa punch inqindi, uMartha punch inqindi. You know, a few punches would have made a little difference. The only thing now I'm more interested in is Zwelethwa finding Jackson. I really hope they don't do what they did here. I hope they are going to give us a full blast, like a real fight. Now, Corner Foot, I don't know why I'm excited, but then it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.